Hello everybody, it's Jordan Computer Scientist here, and I made a program in Java that I'm going to review today. So I decided to make my program in Java because I don't want to lose my skills on Java, and that's very easy to do with me constantly learning JavaScript, really building my skills back up in JavaScript. So anyway, I did this in Java, and basically it just takes a string and it looks through every single item in the string, and whatever number or letter that it evaluates to, it just prints out the binary equivalent. Let's just hop into the code and show you. So with this, I have my public class. I had to import my scanner in order to get the user to input whatever they want, as long as it's lowercase. I didn't put the capitals in there. I didn't feel like it, but the point is that I got it working, and if I wanted to add capitals, I can. But so I set send to an empty string, which is pretty easy, and then system.out enter phrase. So system.print whatever enter phrase. So you're going to enter any phrase that you want, and then once you enter that phrase, I have for I equals 0, for I less than send.length. So it's going to check the length of the string that you entered, because send is going to equal whatever string you enter. And for whatever, like for each place, like at first it's going to be 0. So if A is at 0, then A is going to print out 011000001, whatever A is in binary code, and it's just going to do that for all of them. There's no spaces either, so that's very interesting. And I did that for A all the way to Z, and then the last right here I have a space, because space also has a binary equivalent. Also, it's 0010000. It actually took me like 2 days to actually get this going. I probably could have got it in one day, but it wasn't working and it was late, so I closed out Java. But I got back in it today, and literally within like a couple seconds I just put everything into a string, because at first everything wasn't in a string. Like I had A just like this, and as you can see, if I run this program and I put in A, look at what it prints out. I don't know why it prints out this number, but it does. And yeah, so I saw that it worked with me putting it in a string. So not a string, but just in quotation marks. I guess that's a string. I don't know, but yeah, it's just a really large number. When I put 1 there, it printed out 1. If I print out this in the string, it printed out the actual string. So now when I do this and I rerun the code, I put in A, it prints out the binary equivalent. If I wanted it to, hold on, I gotta put it over here. If I wanted to print out anything, U, it prints out U. Now let's see if it matches up. I have U right here, and yeah, it's the same thing. I'm going to redo it, and I'm going to print out a space. Not just print out a space, but enter a space and see what happens. It enters my space. Now, the real thing was, does it work if I print out an entire sentence? So let's say, hello everyone. I put in capital I. I don't have any commas, so I have just made a program. Hopefully I spelled that right. Let's go. And if you see, it literally prints out everything in binary code, the spaces and everything. And the space is right here. That's the space. So all that, well, you can't really see my finger pointing to it, but all this from here all the way to that spells out hello. All of it. And yes, I'm very proud of this, because I haven't used Java since like my last Java program video that I uploaded, and I wanted to make a program that just converted words into binary code. Simple, easy, but I knew that I was going to have to like read through a string, and I just wanted to make sure that I could do that, and I did. Pretty simple program, honestly. There's no object oriented programming in here. But yeah, I'm pretty proud of what I did. I think this is cool. And if you all remember from the videos that I taught, where I taught binary code, then you will know that this is right. This is actually correct. But This isn't the video where I teach binary code. Thank you for watching. My name is Jordan, the Computer Scientist. I'm going to see all of you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my Discord. The link is going to be in the description. And follow me on my Twitter and Instagram at JordanTheCS. And yes, thank you for watching.
I'm insecure still, and she's starting to notice. She think my feelings are bogus, but really she is my bonus. I don't like how I wrote this because